Hello, let me show you how you can loop your home screen on a Samsung S25, so we can actually go from the last screen into the first one by just keep swiping into the same direction. And to do this, you'll have to start by opening Galaxy Store. You have to click on search and you have to input this phrase in the search bar. Good luck. And you have to download this application. Then you will have to open it after downloading process. And now just wait, because we will actually get some additional plugins. This one, Home App. So get into this one. Now enable this one and go into home screen. Then you have to go into app icon settings. Into loop pages actually, and select this for home screen, and also we can do this in the apps screen. So just right here, as you can see, we can swipe and we are back in this first page. And that's how we can actually do this. But by the way, if it is not working, you have to be sure that you switch off this Google screen. So we have to click and hold it and disable this, media page from Google or Samsung.